As an e-commerce business owner, you know how crucial it is to keep your shipping costs under control. High shipping expenses can quickly eat into your profits, making it challenging to grow your business. But what if I told you there's a secret to scaling without shipping headaches? I've seen it firsthand. Easyship, a powerful shipping platform, has been a game changer for my business. With Easyship, I've been able to streamline my shipping process, automate tasks, and even save up to 91% on my shipping costs. Yes, you read that right, 91%. So, how did I do it? It's simple. Easyship offers a range of innovative solutions that help e-commerce businesses like yours optimize their shipping operations. From discounted rates with top carriers to automated shipping rules and customizable shipping options, Easyship has everything you need to take control of your shipping costs. One of the key features that made the biggest impact for me was Easyship's rate comparison tool. With just a few clicks, I could compare rates across different carriers and services, ensuring I was getting the best deal possible for each shipment. No more manually checking rates or relying on guesswork. Easyship did the heavy lifting for me. But that's not all. Easyship also allowed me to automate my shipping process, liberating me from hours of manual work each week. I could set up custom shipping rules, print labels in bulk, and even track my shipments in real time. It was a seamless experience that saved me time and money. If you're tired of watching your shipping costs spiral out of control, it's time to try Easyship for yourself. With their free trial, you can see firsthand how this powerful tool can transform your shipping operations. And the best part? You can get started today, absolutely free. Ready to stop overpaying for shipping? Click the link in the description to download and try Easyship for free. Don't let shipping costs hold you back any longer. Join the thousands of e-commerce businesses that have already made the switch to Easyship. Take control of your shipping today and start growing your business the way you always dreamed. Like this video? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.